Hi friends, this is Karthik here from Rocking Life YouTube channel. Today we are going through Anchor Text, which is also an influencer for good SEO web page ranking. So let us see what is Anchor Text. Anchor text is a hyperlink that shows the visibility, character, and words linking to different web pages or on the same page. For example, when you are linking, when the hyperlink is used to connect to different pages or a similar page with a keyword mentioned to it is anchor text. That particular text which is mentioned in the particular hyperlink is anchor text. So let us see the different types of anchor text. Naked URL anchor text, image URL anchor text, generic URL anchor text, exact URL anchor text, partial URL anchor text, branded URL anchor text. So now let us see what is naked URL anchor text. The URL that is directly used for sharing is called naked URL anchor text. For example, ahref equal to www.worldnews.com. That www.worldnews.com after the before the closing tag is called naked URL anchor text. Now let us see what is image URL anchor text. The anchor text used for images is image URL anchor text. For example, anchor href equal to adidas.com and open bracket image src equal to adidas.png, alt tag equal to adidas, and close image tag and close anchor tag. So this is image URL anchor text. Next, let us see generic URL anchor text. The URL anchor text that is used for common generic anchor, like click here, is generic URL anchor text. So for example, ahref equal to www.affiliateworld.co.in, click here, is a generic URL anchor text. Now exact URL anchor text. Anchor text is exact match to the link mentioned in the href column is exact match anchor text. It is example ahref equal to www.affiliateworld.co.in. Here affiliate world is the keyword which matches with the domain name of the website. So this is exact match URL anchor text. Partial URL anchor text. Anchor text that includes a variation on the keyword on the linked to page is called partial URL anchor text. For example, ahref equal to www.affiliateworld.co.in, where the keyword is affiliate world strategy, but the link is affiliate world, so it is partially similar. So it is partial URL anchor text. Now comes with the last one, branded URL anchor text. URL that indicates a brand in anchor text is branded URL anchor text. So the brands like Adidas, Nike, and many more, Coca-Cola, are branded URL anchor text, wherein when you are using that particular keyword, the brands, then it is branded URL anchor text. Now let us see why anchor text is more important and the reason for it. It is simple. Two decades ago, when Google started, uh, anchor text was the main part, or a hyperlink was the main part of getting into the search engine, search pages. So the individuals, what they did is they generated more and more of anchor text that was not worth, because when you're connecting from one page to the other page or the similar page, the content would be different. Like when you're describing about a particular event and you're linking it to a tragedy or something like that, or when you're linking to a product, it is considered a bad URL. So to filter it out, they started to get in more advanced and set up a particular algorithm called Penguin to make it more precise on good anchor text than bad anchor text. This new algorithm filters the bad anchor text pages and shows only the good ones. Bad anchor text won't be counted now. So be clear on that. When you are using anchor text, it should be precise and it should be correct. It should be connected to the correct page. When you are describing something, the connection should also be for the same subject. Okay friends, thank you for watching this video. Please share, like and subscribe to this channel.